Google has held the title of the #1 search engine for well over a decade now. To put the dominance of Google into perspective, consider this. Out of every 100 searches made on the internet, 93 of them are made on Google. There was a time when Yahoo used to be a very strong competitor of Google in the early 2000s. But after the gradual decline of Yahoo between 2005 and 2007, there were no worthy competitors left in the market. And Google rose up as the undisputed leader of the search engine market. But things are changing after the launch of Chat GPT. You see, ChatGPT was never seen as a direct competitor of Google, as both of them perform functions quite differently. When you search for something on Google, it simply gives you the links to various websites related to your query, but when you ask something to ChatGPT, it generates answers by itself based on the data that has already been fed into it. But one major problem with ChatGPT is that its knowledge is limited to 2021 only, and it has literally no idea about what has been happening after 2021. So, if you ask a question about any recent topic, it simply fails to answer. Let's see an example. If I ask ChatGPT, what is the price of Tesla stock today? You see, it fails to answer and says that it does not have real-time access to the internet to answer my question. This is what is going to change in ChatGPT. According to various sources, after the next update, ChatGPT will have real-time access to the internet and it will be able to do anything and everything that Google can. This move of OpenAI will make ChatGPT a direct competitor of Google, and new rivalry will begin in the search engine market. Although ChatGPT only has 60 million daily active users, which is just a fraction compared to Google's 1 billion daily active users, Google is not taking ChatGPT lightly. As more than 50% of Google's revenue comes from search ads, Google simply cannot afford to ignore a potentially strong competitor in this sector. So, Google has launched Google Bard to compete directly with ChatGPT. Now, only time will tell whether ChatGPT will end up as a failure like Yahoo, or if it will dominate the search engine market, breaking the monopoly of Google. Whatever happens, it will be an interesting race to follow, and on this channel, we will keep you updated with every development in the AI sector. So do subscribe.